friends and families, all welcome to NIC 2019.
Ladies and gentlemen, to make this program a fruitful one, let us give ourselves a big round of applause. From 10 to 14th November 2019, where 250 participants are all invited in proper, and then it will be a very meaningful program for all of us.
14 states of India gathered here for National Integration Camp in UKHRUL.
Food is not tasty or food is not the same. Please bear with us and extend your full cooperation so that in the end of this NIC, all participate and communal harmony. I wish all of you a happy stay. Thank you all.
In diversity. National integration is the feeling of oneness, and this feeling of oneness is very crucial for building a very prosperous and strong India. I believe this National Integration Camp is organized for strengthening our emotional oneness in our land of diverse culture. Youth, you are the symbol of unity.
And the song just sang by way of which I don't know, I'm sorry. First of all, I would like to thank both these items. And secondly, I would like to thank our moderators to give me such an opportunity to stand and say a few words. Respected DC Deputy Commissioner of UKHRUL,
and this is the place where the Christian missionary set his first foot in the soil of Manipur. So if you look closely, if you examine closely, there will be many things that you will be able to learn from this part of the country, this part of Manipur. We are happy that the people have come from other parts of the country. Rajasthan is also one place where the people are very tolerant. People are very, very tolerant. We had some friends there when we were studying in Delhi, and during.
It is my privilege to express and give the vote of thanks for today's inaugural program. I would like to extend my thanks to our chief guest, president and guest of honor, and our state director for being present in our NIC camp inaugural function.
I am very happy to declare the National Integration Camp 2019 in UKHRUL open.
Heard of something called Legislative Watch? सुना है क्या Legislative Watch करके? नहीं ना? Parliament Watch सुना है? हाँ. लेजिस्लेटिव वॉच, जब आपका अपना स्टेट का लेजिस्लेटिव, अगर दिल्ली में जो जितना हो रहा है वो देखेंगे तो पार्लियामेंट वॉच होता है, ह्यूमन राइट्स वॉच, सोशल वॉच, डेवलपमेंट वॉच, एनवायरनमेंट वॉच, है ना, बहुत है। आप लोग उसमें शामिल हैं क्या? दैट्स माय क्वेश्चन। अगर गुड गवर्नेंस चाहिए, बिना गुड गवर्नेंस तो देश किसी चलाएंगे ना। अगर गुड गवर्नेंस चाहिए तो देखना पड़ता है कि ये डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम कैसे चल रहा है, हमारा रिप्रेजेंटेटिव असेंबली में कैसे बैठ रहा है, वो क्या सवाल पूछ रहा है असेंबली।
Soldiers, no, the Indian soldiers were not given high rank, and then they were given low salaries comparing to the English officer. Then they, no promotion was given, no privilege was given, and then another thing is to the ruler also. The English said, the company said, if, say for example, Jhansi, the king of Jhansi had no son. So, that kind of kingdom which do not have son, they cannot, what the children that they adopt, will not be recognized as a ruler.
True. When I say education, I'm not just talking about school education. मान लो अभी जो हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं ना, ये भी education है, ठीक है? It's also a process, isn't it? We are having a conversation and we are learning from each other. That's also education. That's also knowledge, isn't it?
Goods and socially valued opportunities and all those entitled to a citizen of the land as a citizen of one nation or a member of one organization.
Name the most populous country in the world.
USA.